Hey, welcome back to the latest Spyder channel. So today we have another custom Swiss Army knife to be showing. And so this has two Spyderco blades. We have the Dragonfly and we have the Byrd over here. It's the Byrd Robin 2. And so we'll get into that in just a bit. So the scales are titanium and the liners are red G10. So you see the red G10 peeking through the logo right here. Alright, and the tools have all been acid etched and aluminum washed. So let's go and we'll get into the tool set. So this is like I said, the Spyderco Byrd Robin 2, and it has been reprofiled to replace the original blade. Alright, then next to that, we have the original small blade. It has been serrated. Saw. Pliers and the scissors. A lot of times I'll move the scissors farther away from the large Spyderco blade so I can access it easier. They have the LED light, which is why this is called a Cybertool Lite. Magnifying glass. Then we have the actual Cybertool. The Dragonfly blade. The can opener and the bottle opener. Right, on the back we have the awl, universal hook, and the corkscrew. And inside the corkscrew we have the fire ant from Tortoise Gear. And so this is a small little ferro rod. And we have their helix tinder, which I've done a review of this before. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to go back and see the review so you know exactly what all this does. Alright, and then also, quite obviously here, these scales have a removable titanium clip. Alright, so that is all for that knife. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about the two Spyderco blades. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.